Creating an Amplify shader is quite simple. You can do it directly in the Project Explorer tab by right-clicking and going to Create, Shader, and clicking on Amplify Surface Shader. Let's name our shader file Test1. You can open the editor in a couple of ways, by going to Window, Amplify Shader and clicking on Open Canvas, or simply by double-clicking an Amplify shader or a material using an Amplify shader. This is the name that will be displayed in your shader list when setting it in the material. Shader file name and shader name are actually two separate identifiers. Notice that you can define your own categories by using a /. We will add my collection for the category, / my test shader for the actual name of the shader. The editor is roughly divided into three areas. On the left side, you have the Node Properties tab. This is where you'll set most values. It's context-based, meaning that it will change depending on the selected node. For example, these are the parameters for the float node, which of course can also be changed in the node itself. And these are the values currently available in the Texture Sampler node. If nothing is selected, it will show you your master node properties. The middle area is your canvas, the main work area where you construct your node networks. By default, there's always one master node. It's where you'll be plugging your node outputs. On the right side, you can find the searchable node palette. To find a specific node, simply type its name or browse through the different categories. To add a node, drag and drop it directly onto your canvas. There are other ways to create nodes. For example, right-click anywhere in your canvas to bring up a searchable node list. To find a specific node, simply type its name or browse through the list. Click on the node name to add it to your canvas. You can also create nodes by holding their shortcut key and clicking on an empty canvas area. When available, the shortcut key is shown in front of the node name. For example, 1 for a float node and 5 for a color node. This is the Update button. It serves as an update and save button. Material changes are immediately visible, but shader values have to be updated and saved in order to view its results. The Live button automatically saves and updates your shaders whenever you make changes. The Clear button deletes isolated nodes disconnected from the master node. The Text Editor button opens the current Amplify shader in your default code editor. Shader name and category are always visible in the middle of the main toolbar. On the right side, we have the Canvas View Adjustment buttons. The first button selects and focuses your view on the master node, while the second button focuses on the selected nodes. If nothing is selected, it will focus on everything. You can also use the F key. Both tabs can be minimized by clicking on the minus button. The tabs will automatically minimize when necessary. You can easily bring them back by clicking on their button. Be sure to also check our product page for a full manual and a searchable node list.